So hello everyone. Today we are back again with another YouTube video, and as always we are going to solve a LeetCode daily problem. It is easy tech problem, but those who are targeting means those who are learning initial implementation skills of C++ or any coding language, and those who are learning C++ STL, this one problem is really good for them to understand how the implementation of the works. And in this problem we are going to use nested STL data structures. As we will move forward, you will see. So this problem is very straightforward. We are given an input array named nums, and we have to return output array in which the elements are sorted according to their frequency. For example, in this example, 3 is occurring one time, 2 is occurring 3 times, and 1 is occurring 2 times. So the element having the least frequency is 3, so it is first in the array. Second lowest frequency is of 1, which is of 2 times. So then 1 will come, and the rest of the elements are 2, and it is having frequency of 3, which is highest among the given array. So 2 will be at the last. And if the frequency is equal, then we have to sort the given elements in decreasing order like this. 3 is also occurring 2 times, like here and here. 2 is also occurring 2 times here and here. So we have to sort them in decreasing order. So it is like 3, 3 and 2, 2. So this is very straightforward problem as it seems, but it is a bit tough if we go on the implementation side, but don't worry, we'll do it. So initially we will take a map data structure to get the frequency of each and every element. So we will just iterate among the given array nums, and we will just increment the frequency of every element of the nums array. Now we are having an element, and means the key is the element of the array, and the value of that key will be the frequency of that particular element. For example, if we try to uh, see the output of the array, and also yes, we are supposed to return a vector of int. So we will take a vector of int named ans, means answer n, as we are supposed to see the output in the terminal. So we have to return something so that the code can run smoothly. Yes, as you can see here, element 1 is having frequency 2, element 2 is having frequency 3, and this one, and element 3 is having frequency 1. Okay. So now we will be using another map, and it is of int and vector of int, and we are going to name it mappy, or whatever you can pronounce. Why? Because this time we are going to store all the elements which are having same frequency, or we will be storing elements having that particular frequency in the key, and the elements as the member of the vector. For example, here 2 is also having the frequency of 2, 3 is also having the frequency of 2. So we will be storing 2 and 3 in the map with respect to the value 2. Okay, so let's do it. So for auto IT map, and what we will be doing, we'll be doing nothing. We will be just inserting elements into the vector with respect to their frequency. So frequency is stored on the right hand side of this map of named m. So we will be mappy of it dot second dot pushback it dot first. Simple. Means here we have done nothing. We are just pushing value of 2 and 3 as the key, as the value of the key frequency, which is 2. Okay, so here we have done this part. Now we have to return this thing. So now we will be iterating to the map named mapping, and int frequency will be it dot first, and as the it dot second will be a vector. So we will be taking another vector named temp to store it. Now, as we are supposed to give in decreasing mode. Now we are not knowing whether it is vector is having multiple elements or not. Single element, multiple element, as we are not aware. So we will do nothing. Just sort the vector temp dot begin, temp dot end, and we will just reverse it. It's as simple as that, and we will do nothing. We have to insert all the elements of the vector named. Let's name it I, which will be iterating the vector temp, and we have to insert all these characters of the vector for how many times? Number of the frequency. So we have to uh, also iterate into the loop, means inside this put I condition to insert the element according to the frequency. Maybe we will just nothing. We will be just ns dot pushback, and yes I, and yes, I think the code is done. Let's try and run it whether there is any kind of error or not, and we will see. No, there is no error in this. So let's run it. Let's submit it, and I hope it should be getting submitted. Yes, let's try to submit it one more time, one or two more times, so that we can analyze the real time complexity of our code. See, this time it is getting beaten by 89%. Let's see the time complexity. It will be of n log n. Yes, can anyone tell why it's n log n? Because we are using map. And if you are aware, map uses red black trees to store the data, and it takes log n time to either store the data or to retrieve the data. So it's n log n. Let's see what's the space complexity. It will be also of n because, yes, because we are storing into the map for how many times? In worst case, it will be of size of nums. So I hope this solution is clear to you. The main key takeaways from this video, this solution is how to nest STL data structures. How to nest STL data structure. If you guys are not much fond of using this vector inside the map and all this thing, just try practicing it, and you will be getting some more clear idea how to implement it and all of these things. So yes, I think this is enough for this video, and very simple straightforward solution. You can also classify this problem as simple brute force problem, because just implement it what you are getting first thought, and many a times people are also implementing it using a vector of pair and all of that thing, but that stuff will become more and more complex. But using this map with vector will make it very simple, and it is also beating a quite good, means 55% to 0.33% we are beating in space complexity, and almost 90% in time complexity, which is quite good. So this approach is very good for you guys to understand, and also the nesting STL data structures is there in the video. So I hope you guys will do this one, and please drop a comment if you have any kind of doubt and anything, and we will surely consider it and answer it. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, please keep doing this problem solving, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you.